But within their ranks, a drama plays out. Two hyena cubs, born in rival territories, struggle to survive as their clans wage war. In this volatile world, will two new lives endure? The battles of the Bone Crusher Queens. The Lure Plain, flat, dry, merciless. Temperatures soar and water is scarce. When the rains come, a wildebeest migration will flood into Lure Plain, but for now, only a few hardy adults stir the dust. Yet in this barren landscape, one of Africa's most underestimated predators has risen to greatness: the spotted hyena. Spotted hyenas are extraordinary survivors. Their powerful jaws crush through bone, and their cast-iron stomachs digest even rotting meat. Yet in many regions, these bone crushers hunt far more often than they scavenge. Female spotted hyenas are remarkable amongst mammals. They are larger, stronger, and fiercer than male hyenas, and they have the most male-like sexual organs of any female mammal. This bizarrely elongated organ was once thought to be a product of high testosterone levels in the womb, but today it continues to mystify scientists. The female hyenas govern the clans, led by all-powerful matriarchs. Neighboring clans are sworn enemies, and territorial trespassers are often viciously attacked.